These glass filters from any auto parts store, they're kind of a universal glass fuel filter. They've been known to cause a lot of fires. So we're going to get rid of this one from this Cobra here. And then we are going to put in a Wix fuel filter. There are arrows on the filter that tell you which direction it needs to face, so that way the fuel flow is going a certain way. So this arrow is pointing that way, and we know the fuel flow is that way because it's headed towards the carburetor. That's how you put a new fuel filter on your standard rubber fuel line. Now we don't have to worry about that glass filter leaking and causing a fire or anything, because now we have a good old Wix fuel filter.